Welcome to the tattoo shop. What can I get for you today? Yodelay Heidi, I see you. Yodelay. No, I got to pee really badly, but I'm not gonna go because I have to finish my thing that I started. Hello. Yes. Which one? I don't know. I'm doing something a bit scandalous today. I'm gonna be tattooing my leg right here, I think right here. I didn't decide fully, but I want it to be there. Inside of this book, I have made that's not it. I have made tattoos. This is actually a page. I want to get this tattooed eventually, but from a real artist, not myself. That'd be dumb. I want an elephant inside of a box. I want it to be like that. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. Here it is. This is a page of stuff I'm gonna do. I kind of wanted to do the lemons. I don't know. Should I do everything? Just this whole page wrapped around my leg. Maybe not. Also, this is my recent painting I'm working on right now. Oh, better cover that. Just wanted to show y'all because I paint. So to show you, this is what I have. Probably should have done more research when I was like, you know, buying one. Next time I buy one, I'll buy a better one. This one's fine, but I would like one that is like, if it's just like you're doing whatever, I would like a pen. I think it would look a lot easier than using this, because this is like a really solid, hard machine. Now I need to sanitize this. I bought some ink. It came with a package of ink, but I don't trust it. I would love to try this, but I think I'm gonna do this because that's what I was planning. I'll try something else later. Okay, so we're gonna try and do this without like having like blinding whiteness on me. Oh, I should just use transfer paper. I have it, but like, I'm trying to use transfer paper. I was told, or I was watching a YouTube video that said to do that, to draw on another paper and then to go over on the stencil. So I put it on top, I draw it. Here's my lemons. I stenciled it. I'm supposed to pull this off, I think. Do I want it bigger than that? I don't know. Nah, that's good. So I did what this video told me to. I lathered it up with deodorant. And it says to hold it for 30 seconds. Oh, wow. It's really sticking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope I put it on the right way. Yo, it's gonna look fine. It's gonna look cool. Yo, look cool. Yeah, broski. So I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna see, is that what I want? Yeah. Yes, it's what I want. Ugh. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go over it. I'm gonna make sure it's exactly, yeah, what I want. I do want it to have like a little teak. Oh wait, I should look at the picture. Do you think it's too small? Should I go a bit bigger? No. I think that's alright. Glovies. Glovies. I can't wait to go longboarding after this. Basically, I cleaned my thingy. Anyway. I think I'm gonna have to use a 3-pound needle. This one's so tiny, I don't want that. Yeah. Yeah, as if that helped. This part down to the ground. Grab my, where's my machine? Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Don't want it to be sticking out too far, because that wouldn't be very good. So we're gonna grab an ink cap. Maybe a bit higher. Me interjecting. I can't believe I didn't put my hair up. and all you can see is my hair. I'm so sorry. What? Don't barge in. I'm taking Venta. Don't barge in. I'm taking Venta McDonald's. You wanna come? No. Goodbye. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone what I'm doing. Tess, just don't. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Wait a minute. It's a chopper. Hold up. It's a... Ah! Hold up. It's a chopper. Wait a minute. It's a 22.
Gang.
Why are you going to McDonald's of all places?
Not for me, trust me.
It's the only place that's open. It looks like lemons. I like it. It's not actually bad. All done. Went to the bathroom. Non-bacterial, non-smelling soap, non-scented soap. Use non-scented soap when you wash it 2 times a day. Keep it moisturized all the time. I like cooking. Hold up, it's a chopper. It's a 22. So I'm sorry that my legs have been blinding you this entire video and that you have to see my white, scary, shining legs. Hey guys, look.
So, I am trying.
You laughing? Where's that from?
Go outside.
Look at my leg.
Oh, that's nice.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not bad. What is it?
It's not
Lemons?
bad. The ink
can
has
make
to
it
wear
yellow?
away. No. That was my family's reaction. What the heck? Why do they let you do that? What? I'm an adult. I can make my own decisions. Legally, I'm an adult. And I guess they're chill in that aspect. I'm not allowed to drink. I'm not allowed to do drugs. I'm not allowed to do a lot of things. But apparently tattooing is okay. Because I'm an artist.